In this video, we are going to build a fully functional Tic Tac Toe game using Python and Tkinter. This project includes a modern GUI, player turns, winner detection, draw detection. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will create a Tic Tac Toe game, step by step using Python. For this project, we are using the Tkinter library to build the graphical user interface. First, we import Tkinter for creating the GUI. We also import MessageBox to display game results like winner messages and draw alerts. Now we create the main application window. We set the title, window size, and background color to give the game a modern, dark theme. Next, we initialize the current player and create an empty board with 9 positions. Now we create the winner checking function. This function checks all possible winning combinations, including rows, columns, and diagonals. When a player clicks a button, we update the board and display the player symbol. Then we check if someone has won the game or if the match ends in a draw. This line switches the turn between player X and player O. Next, we create the reset function to restart the game after a win or draw. Now we add the game title and a status label to show whose turn it is. Here we create the 3x3 Tic Tac Toe grid using buttons. Each button stores a command that runs when the player clicks on it. Finally, we add a restart button so players can start a new game anytime. And now our tic-tac-toe game is complete. Let's run the application. As you can see, the game is working perfectly with player switching, winner detection, draw detection, and restart functionality. If you enjoyed this Python project, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials and beginner-friendly projects. Thanks for watching.